Hi there, Sharon Johnston here. Today I want to do a Portuguese knotted stem stitch. I did some kind of a stem stitch here yesterday, but it was not this. It was, I don't even know what that was. Still can't find it in any book. I swear to God, though, I've seen it before. So I did one stem stitch there, and now I'm going to just pull through from the bottom to the top underneath that thread 2 times. Make a little bit of a knot. This one I didn't pull very tight. No matter. All right. So I'm going to keep the thread underneath the line. I'm going to go, it's my stem stitch portion. Now I'm going to go underneath both of these threads once, twice. And then again, do a stem stitch. And then once, twice. Makes sort of a nice knotted loopy. I don't know, I want to do a couple more, and then you can kind of see what it looks like. There's the stem stitch part, and then here's the knot. And there you can kind of see how it's sort of loopy with knots. Kind of cool looking. That's all I got today. Thanks for watching. Bye.